Yeah, hello, good afternoon. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá nílùú Germany níbí báyìí àti ẹ̀yin Yorùbá ní ibikíbi tí ẹ bá lè wà tí ẹ ti ń gbọ́ mi báyìí. Ṣeré program tí mo fẹ́ ṣe lénìí ó máa lọ lórí èdè mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta Yorùbá, Pidgin àti English la máa mix gbogbo ẹ̀ pọ̀ torí màá fẹ́ kí ó go viral so that kó lè dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn especially Nigeria government. Màá fẹ́ kí program yìí kó débẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, please help me share. Please share. Let people join me online so that we can discuss the issue together. Yeah. Happy Sunday. Please share. Ṣẹ́rí pàtàkì tó yẹ kí n wá sórí program lénìí, I came because of what is going on now in South Africa. When I watched some video and I saw what is happening there in short, I shed tears. Torí bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe fún báwọn South Africa ṣe ń ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn tó wà ń bẹ̀, ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ó bà mí lẹ́rù púpọ̀ pẹ̀lú fídíò tí mo wò láàárọ̀ yìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, tẹ́ bá ṣe ń wọlé sórí line yẹn, ẹ má bá mi share. You are welcome, Mr. Taofeek Olalekan. Grace is there. I greet you. You are welcome. Please share this program. Please share it. Let others also can benefit in this program. You know, as I said, today's program is going in a three-way. We speak English, we speak Pidgin, and we speak Yoruba, so that everybody can benefit on this program. And xenophobia, philosophia, what do they call it, that is happening in South Africa? In short, I've shed tears and I have to say something about it. You know, I'm a traveler. Then I've been to many countries. Then this South Africa we are talking about, mo ti gbé South Africa for odidi ọdún kan rí fún 1 year gbáko. Mo fi gbé bẹ̀. I lived there for good 1 year. You know, wherever it's hard, that is where you say Africa, especially Nigeria. Here is home, there is home. Ibikíbi tí ẹ̀dá bá ti ń gbé láyé, we have to pray to God to make us succeed here in the country. But the government of Nigeria, especially the government, you call yourself government, from the head of the state, from the head of the country, head of state, General Muhammadu Buhari, now those people who are working under Buhari, if Buhari cannot see clearly, then what about you? You are working under him. If Buhari is using lens glass, all of you also using lens glass, you people can't see what is going on here in South Africa. Killing. I watched video this morning in short. It's a disgrace to Nigeria government. If you can't find a solution and see what you can do to stop that nonsense that is going on there. They are killing Nigeria there. For what? Government of Nigeria. You won't tell me that there's no South African citizen, indigenous that is living there in your country, Nigeria. Your country, you call Nigeria there. Look at Nigeria there. Most of money. South Africa, they have a lot of business in Nigeria. 80% of Nigerian citizens, both citizens or foreigner, they live there. Country called our country so called Nigeria. 80% out of 100, they are using MTN SIM card. They say wherever you go. What of 80%? 90% using MTN. The money that South Africa, the profit they have, the money they have in Nigeria, in one day, I'm sure Nigeria doesn't have the money in 1 week. ShopRite there in Nigeria. Both rich and poor. That is where now you go to eat, to enjoy yourself. It's a South Africa company. MTN is a South Africa company. Many earbuds flights, I mean big flights, can conceive 800 to 1,000 passengers. I mean plane. Méjì, 2 plane. South Africa plane. What's Nigeria day to the man. Despite with all this, they don't want to see Nigeria in their country. If I say anything about South Africa, it's the country that I know very well. I lived there for 1 year. I live in Joburg. South Africa by themselves, they don't even care, even for their own indigenous. Afternoon, they rob. One-on-one. They remove gun. It is South Africa, I say. The most cheapest thing in South Africa was bullets. Or tabalo ship in South Africa. Very cheap in South Africa, bullet. I was there. I lived there. I worked there. Koda, I own my own shop there in South Africa before I left here. Because gbogbo ìwà tí wọ́n wù yẹn, mo believe pé tí bá gbèlú yẹn, ó láti kí n ti kú. Because ibi tí mo ti ṣiṣẹ́, àwọn ETA, they call them ETA. People live South Africa, people know South Africa, they will know what I'm talking about. They call them ETA. They used to come to my shop, to my store. They used to come there. Because by then, I'm a tailor. Tailor ko pandodo be na láti kọ́, bàtà rí kankan ṣe. La kọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀, an ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ pọ̀ ni. Nínú shop mi be. Èmi nìkan mo ń ṣe tailor, èmi nìkan mo ń ṣe shoemaker, èmi nìkan ni mo ń ta sweet, ni mo ń ta cigar, ni mo ń ta chewing gum. Inú shop kan náà ni mo gbogbo ẹ̀ sí. No, I'm not a tailor. But I learned it in South Africa. I'm not a shoemaker. I learned it in South Africa. Despite with all this, what one of you about 30 me going to shop with me? Ah man, G, you are making big money here. To the monta card. Monta book card so that on tabe the monta no shop with me. They also still came there to threaten me with gun. When some of them come, they want to maybe you want to adjust the shirt, when we adjust itself, I will see gun. Because their late godfather, Sonny Mandela, Nelson Mandela, I mean, Odi Bawanje, he has spoiled them before the father died, before the man late. Yes, he has spoiled South Africa before he of late. But many people believe that Mandela is the best in Africa. Whatever indigenous of South Africa they are doing today, it is the power and the authority that Nelson Mandela is already given to them. That is why you see South Africa, they don't like this former president. Hey, What is the president's name? I'm not talking about Zuma. The one that is take over after Nelson Mandela. I think I forgot the president's name. South Africa indigenous used to call him white cat because the president all his ear, his wife, he already have white hair on his head. They don't like the man because when the man take over, the man said there is nothing like bullets in South Africa, nothing like gun. Then he give order to police. When you see them with gun, arrest them, send them in prison. When you see them with anything like a knife, jack, anything, take them, put them in the prison. That is how they aid the president. Now, they impeach it and put Zuma, this current president that is there now. I was in South Africa. This what we are talking about, baby xenophobia or what they call it, it has been happening for South Africa a very long time. I think I witnessed two that is happened there when I was in South Africa. They attack. There's time they attack Zimbabwe. They have been killing Zimbabwe. Laboring country. It's like Nigeria to Cotonou. That's how South Africa to Zimbabwe. They attack Zimbabwe, killing Zimbabwe, spoil their Zimbabwe. They don't want to see Zimbabwe inside South Africa. Again, they attack Nigeria. I remember by then, this former president, he comes out. He plead, but no one listened. No one listened. They have been killing even we that we are in Nigeria, we are not. We are afraid now to go out. Emire, this is my tribal mark. You don't need to ask where I come from before you know that I'm a Yoruba. I'm from Nigeria. We cannot go out again. Indoor every day. How long this will continue? But Nigeria government are there. They can't do nothing. They can't even do nothing. Then Nigeria have to come out for protect of themselves. Now I hear in the news that now government now there are other police and soldiers out there in Nigeria to guide MTN office. Whatever the business that ticks belong to South Africa, Nigeria government order now police to go and secure there. They order security to go and guide their company. But the government don't have nothing to do to go and stop South Africa to killing their citizen, Nigeria that is living there. I watched one news this morning. Beautiful Nigeria, two girls on their way coming from church. South Africa attacked them and tear all their clothes. Even they tear their tights to make sure they put them naked. And remain pints. House, my God. They go with that, they draw the pint, they tear it because they want to see their full nakedness after they already cut their bra. You remember, they still go there, they are speaking their language. They tear the pint. Now all of them remove phone from their pocket, starting video. Is that the life in South Africa? South Africa. When I was South Africa, I can count 1,000 people that they kill, that I saw it with my eyes. In South Africa, if you love yourself, when they come to you, your phone, you have to give to them. If you say you want to prove that you are stubborn, they gun you down. They kill even themselves. They're indigenous. They kill themselves. They kill themselves. They kill themselves. Okay. Nigeria have to do something. The government, please help me share this program so that it can go viral. I want government to go. Well, how long? That is why Europe is always be the best. Europe is the best in the country. Yoruba, mama powe, ìjàkùmọ̀ kan òkìrín ọ̀sán, ẹni bíbíire kan òkìrín òru. That is for the Africa country. Ìjàkùmọ̀ òkìrín lọ́sàn, bíbíire òkìrín lóru. Ní Europe bí báyìí, in this Europe, bíbíire òru ló máa rìn. Obìnrin, young lady, young lady, it can go out 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 1 a.m. Only she, nothing will happen to her. Oh my debit law. Because what? There are a lot of securities. Go to 5 minutes. Control, police control, police patrol. Before you walk 5 minutes, you will see police patrol. They will drive past. Now, tell me, if I put 2,000 euro in my pocket in the midnight 2 a.m., I'm not even thinking of the money in my pocket. I'm thinking to where I'm going to, how to get to the place. Because I know nothing will happen to what is in my pocket. But South Africa there, 8 o'clock in the night. Now, who born you? South Africa, ni mo ti rí. Tó bá rìn lọ, bó ṣe ń wọ̀tún, wàá máa wò sí. Bó ṣe ń kọjú síwájú ni wàá máa wẹ̀yìn. They may come out from nowhere. Wọ́n á yọ̀bọ̀n sí ẹni. Your phone, money. Wọ́n máa rob yẹn lójú. They will rob you. People will be starting looking. No one will raise alarm. Thief, no. If you try that, definitely you are no more. That's why I always, not one day I support Nelson Mandela. Because Nelson Mandela spoiled South Africa. But some foolish people in Africa, in the other Africa, they will say Nelson Mandela is an hero, is an icon. Before you go to prison, Obasanjo lost someone. Not only him go to prison. Oh, Lord, prison. Oh, we pass South Africa journey now. Emi baby, I live South Africa for 1 year. I know what is going on there. I make a lot of money there, but I don't have rest of mind. That is why I left. I decided to leave there. I drive 2 cars in South Africa. There is money there. But you have to be very, very careful. Before they built South Africa, that is what happened. That's why South Africa got, that's why they be last Africa country got independent. Because of this foolishness. After they freed Nelson Mandela, what Nelson Mandela told them? Mandela said, now, the power in our hand now. We have to use what we have to get what we want. Go and meet them in their house, rob them, take their money, take their jewelries, take their properties. If they want to do, kill them. So that Mandela, as a president, that is the order that is given to them. For all years, Nelson Mandela ruled South Africa. This is what is going on in South Africa. This is when if you go to Joburg, you can't find white man that live in Joburg City. That's where the most population is. You can't see white man living there. Live there. If you go to Cape Town, you can't find you only maybe 2% of white. I mean Pretoria. Sorry. Maybe 2% of white people live in Pretoria. Guatemala again, it is black. Crew class drops. It is black people. Where you can only find white, if you go, you have to go to East London. There's a state in South Africa. Cape Town. Black is dominated there, but you will easily find white there. This only Port Elizabeth. That's where you can find white people. Because they have been killing them, robbing them, they run now to go and create their own states. Then because the Mandela, that's the other Mandela gives to them to do. Now tell me, if they can be killing themselves indigenous, then Nigeria is what? Then you go to South Africa. Nigeria, they are making money there. A lot of big store here in Nigeria old shop. There is time they are attacking Nigeria there. I was there. They say all their beautiful, beautiful girls. Nigeria is married. All their beautiful girls, they are following Nigeria. We take their money. They work. They make business in their country. We make money in their country. All the money, all their beautiful, beautiful girls, we use it to marry their girl. Their girl follow us because of what? Yeah, that is South Africa. They make our money. This is where we are working. This is where we are doing. They make money here. They do big money. Hey, G, you come from Nigeria. You came here. Now you can see yourself. You are making big money. You're making big money. Look, my beautiful sister is making big money. My beautiful sister is making big money. You're my big sister. If you are married, you are my sister. When they see you, when they see Nigeria with their girls, they're so angry. Because you only see Nigeria girls to date them. Because they are too dirty. They don't bath. They don't wash. They only use foam to clean their body. They smell a lot. This is what they make them jealous Nigeria a lot. They attack myself in my shop. I was blocking the very day. Most of Zulu. Because I have some of them, they are from Zulu. This is the baddest city in South Africa. When you see the Zuluan, the indigenous citizens of Zulu, in South Africa that come from Zulu, they are red dragon. I have them like 3 or 4 like that. That very day, they came to my store to come and adjust their trouser, to adjust their shoe. They came, these people come with their people to come and attack me. But I didn't want to enter. Thank God I went to toilet to use myself. I'm starting hearing them. This Zulu, they blocked that they will not enter my store. Did you hear this? Did you hear that? This. One of them came to me. They are the ones spoke with me now to take me escape. That day, come and see blood in my shop. A lot of blood. Some Nigeria came, they meet Nigeria there, they bruised them, broke their head. What did I do? Because they say in my store, their sister, beautiful guests of their sister, always to come and sit with me, sit down with me, greet me in their shop. Is that criminal? Is that not a madness? Where I'm doing business. You're supposed to be only man, supposed to be coming to my shop, to my store. But it's not their fault. It's their father, late father, their godfather, Nelson Mandela. For me, I'm not seeing Mandela as a hero legend in me. For me, I didn't see it like that. Because it spoiled the country a lot. Then our government, if Buhari is blind, you know, he's using glass. Maybe if the lens can't to see, make it see here, or he cannot hear very clearly. What of Osibanjo as a Yoruba man? You are a disgrace to Yoruba, Osibanjo. You are disgraced to Yoruba. Baba Obasanjo, I can't say anything for this because party Ekolo Wole, not your party. You people are disgraced to Nigeria. Osibanjo, then you and your boss can order security to go and get MTN office, to go and get ShopRite, to go and get what belongs to South Africa that exists in Nigeria. While your South Africa indigenous are killing your citizens, they are living in their country over there. Then you don't have nothing to do. Shy. Nigeria. Nigeria can never satisfy. This make me flash back. I'm a particular majority. Not how you bad. You must get one day you good. If you can remember, in the time of General Sani Abacha, if this thing happened, immediately Abacha is already ordered soldier to go and destroy South Africa for him. Abacha is not take that nonsense. Now, you can see President of America. Now, you are President of South Africa. You will see President of Africa. He already, you have the same message now to go and plead and beg Abacha. You will see Queen of England. He will send message to go and plead with Abacha. German government will have sent it to plead. They should look for peace in South Africa. Because Abacha will immediately open war for the South Africa. But Buhari is there. Oshibajo is there. And you wait at the House of Assembly. You are there. What them power you? But when you don't do much shelling, when it's up now, maybe one of your family or of this stupid they call themselves president, governor, or government. When you hear now that they kill one of their family, there, it is that time that you will see they will look for something to do. Is it that's mean? Is it a crime to be poor? Is a crime? Everybody must reach. Hey, they're lower now. People don't reach all this Nigeria government. You only reach with Nigeria money. That is why people don't want to live. You do 4 years, you want to do 8 years. When you do 8 years, if they give you a chance, you want to do another more 8 years. Because you know, when you live there, you will not go back to poor. Why? Please. Hey, Joe, I want the Nigeria have started protection in South Africa. They have been attacking them. My advice to them that is they should make everything calmly and protect each other so that nothing will happen to us again. Those victims, may their soul rest in peace. Those people, they want God to eat them in time. Because we can't condemn South Africa. Thank you, Mr. Atif. God bless you, brother. Atif Yahweh. We can't condemn South Africa. Why? It's because Nigeria will always go there. Or after 2 weeks now, if this matter ends now, if this matter ends now, if you go to South Africa embassy in Nigeria, it's still going to fool. People will still apply for the South Africa visa. I'm talking to you. I swear with my life. Yesterday, one of my friends called me from Nigeria. Who can help me? How can I help you? Who can help me to get in South African visa? I said, are you hungry, die? Are you hungry, die? Even if you want to go to South Africa, is it now? Elizabeth, I'm not going there to fight. But who is fighting South Africa? It is South Africa killing people there, killing Nigeria there. Even if you also should not go, even if you want to go, you have to hold on first. My brother, you can see. If they kill the whole Nigeria there in South Africa today, if the matter ends, in the next month, 500 Nigeria will enter South Africa again. That is why there is home for us. Why Nigeria also is home. But what we want, it is peace. We need peace. We need peace. Please help me share this video to go viral. We only want peace. That is the only thing. We need peace. It is not only South Africa. Nigeria government, you have a lot of work to do. You have a lot of work to do. For example, let's go back. Let's do Cameroon there. Let's go to Cameroon there. Between Anglophone and Francophone. Everybody know the kind of problem that is happening there now. Anglophone said they need their own freedom. They want to be. They are killing. Innocent people is dying. But do you ever hear that they kill one Nigeria? Instead, they protect citizens. They protect foreigners in their country. I live in Cameroon. I know what is going on there. I hear about the news there every day. I have never heard that they kill one person, one Nigeria died. When those are soldiers, I mean English people soldiers, Ambazonian, Amba boys, they even protect foreigner. They even protect foreigner. They attack themselves, Francophone, Anglophone. But they don't allow anything to run with foreigner in their country, in that English country. They only tell them, please, respect this law. When they say close, please close, because we don't want anything to happen to you. If Cameroon can protect foreigner in their country, wait, there's war there now. South Africa can never protect, because that is what their father, Godfather, Nelson Mandela told them before when he was in president. He said, use what you have to get what you want. Go and meet them in the house, collect their money, collect their jewelries, collect their goods, collect their stuff, whatever you want, take it from them. Illegalized gun. The most cheapest thing in South Africa was bullet. Now, tell me, can you call Nelson Mandela? Can you call it their icon? That is why you see Nelson Mandela and this late Robert Mugabe, they are not friends from beginning. Because the man, he have never support all this rubbish that Nelson Mandela did. The priority that is given the indigenous of citizens of South Africa before he died. That is why Mugabe's legacy will remain in Africa. He's not allowed any country, any president to help him, to tell him what to do, to rule his country. When South Africa is attacking Zimbabwe, they have been killing. I was in South Africa by then. I live in Joburg. When he's attacking, what Zimbabwe did, he sent a plane to South Africa. He sent boss. He said, go and bring my people, come back home. When you need us, we come. It is my people, my city is my people. Help you there. They are the ones working. They are the ones cleaning your house. They are the ones doing any domestic job there in your country, South Africa. You guys are lazy. Nelson Mandela is lazy. Everywhere in South Africa, they are lazy, which is true. They're only under blanket. Zimbabwe, they put all their indigenous back home. Then, the president, after he started plead, he begging, he go now and make Zimbabwe president. Mugabe, not matter of plead your beg. Come, let us make an agreement that nothing will happen to my citizens in your country again. Then I will give power to go. Now you go. They made the plan. They signed it. Then Mugabe now released his citizens back to South Africa. Nigeria can do that. Buhari. Oshibanjo, you are disgrace to Yoruba. If Buhari don't see, Eti Buhari today cannot hear. What of you, Oshibanjo? Are you not a Yoruba man? Why are you disgracing us? Why you can't tell that man? Let us see what to do. How can we stop this madness that is happening in South Africa? Kila ma ṣe, tá ma fi stop nonsense yìí. Mo kí ẹgbẹ́ mi Ṣẹ́gun Ọjọ́mọ́, ẹ̀yin ti London. No, only thing you can do is to now have to order security to go and guide MTN office, to go and guide company South Africa, to go and catch them. Do not allow South Africa and Nigeria's industry to spoil their properties. But to properties, yes, now. But when you want to know that Buhari, he can see, he hear, then he have an action. If South Africa they want to know that how Nigeria government have power. We hear that government of South Africa, they come to Nigeria, they kill one cow. Let them kill cow in Nigeria. It is that time you will know that Buhari is an action man. Buhari offer any cow to me now. You people can't do nothing. Then order police, order security, call us secure properties MTA, properties properties South Africa. Nigeria the government, you people are disgrace. Because you know the people in Nigeria here in Nigeria government. The same thing. Let me come to this German again. Let me say little concerning Germany here. German, you know, many of Nigeria, they sit on asylum here in German. Then, maybe after 2 years, 1 year, German government, they will invite Nigeria government, embassy, to come and interview this person. Maybe to know, maybe it's in Nigeria, so that they will know how to deport him. Nigeria embassy will come. They will now tell government, German, do this now. It's from Nigeria. Now, they will use their stupid hand. They will issue travel document, TC. They will give to government of German to deport the person. See, most of you, this embassy kind of what you call yourself, you see thunder that is doing press up is coming for most of you, of that staff they work in Nigerian embassy. Thunder is coming for you. Thunder that is doing press up is coming with a muzzle. Not only you, it will scatter both all your generation. Why you can't think this person they bring you to come and interview he or she, then you know most of them how they suffer before they get to this country, before to get to Europe. I'm not blaming them. You people that work in embassy, I can't blame you, because is it your school that you go take you there? No. Maybe you have only just school cert, secondary school certificate. Most people they have the document, they have the paper, they have the certificate. When they go to this school, they are there in Nigeria doing conductor, they are Okada rider, they are the taxi driver. But when you go to office Nigerian embassy, then you bubu, I mean you will like car. She be a money you can have Europe. You people don't have any strength. They give you free visa, they give you free passport, they give you free ticket. You just wake up, you enter plane, 6 hours, you land in Frankfurt, or Stuttgart, or München, or Berlin. You are in Europe. But why you can't think? You people are watching TV. Do you know? Let me tell you, this Nigeria embassy things. If you see 5,000 people in Germany, they enter Europe by road. Definitely, you have to know 20,000 people has perished in that Mediterranean Sea. Then why you can't pity the few one that escape and reach? If your country Nigeria, so-called Nigeria, good, do you think to travel? Go to America, go to Canada, come to Europe. You hardly see South African indigenous in any of this country. You people that are online, if you know South Africa, that you met South Africa in this country, tell me. If you see South Africa, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, you see them in Europe. Just know that they are students. They are not come here to stay. After they finish their education, their school, they are going back. Because their country is good. The same system that is happening in Europe is happening in South Africa. Not South Africa. All Southern Africans. When I say Southern Africa, they are South Africa, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Lesotho. All this, what I mean by Southern Africans. When they are not start working, government give them money. If woman born, they support his baby, they give the woman money. The same thing like Europe. If they are not start working, government give them free house. Then, why Nigeria can't do this? Then you issue TC, you give to government of German, send them back. You don't even think, say, this person has to ask government of German to send back, and then is he have house in Nigeria to stay? If you get to that Nigeria, which business is he going to work? You said you need to go and stay on that bridge, oh. Then when you go to that bridge now, he change, go and look for God, started killing. They will say it's armed robber, he's killing people. I've been saying time to time, all these armed robbers in Nigeria, they are mad. Thank you, Kafaya Rewa. God bless you. Please let me share this video. I've been saying it. All these armed robbers in Nigeria, they are mad. Because most of them, they don't have their sense. If you have God, you want to rob, why you got to rob? Go rob all this senator. Rob them. If they don't want to give you, kill them. Because they are not ready anything to help poor. They are not ready to help poor. Then poor, armed robber. Now you carry gun, go and meet the person that is begged for Gary to make it by yesterday night. Then you enter there, you beat her up, you beat their family up. When you don't see the money, you look around. If you see their daughter, you rape. I don't want to rape. Only koko gbene dani. Omuyawo egun loju e. Koku se kan to ma se. Because you are all your gun. Olorun wo yi. But people you supposed to rob their there. You can't rob them. If when we are talking about South Africa, they are killing. Nigeria said they are not killing themselves. SARS, they are doing their own there. SARS kill they are killing. SARS is not Nigeria region. Are they kill Niger? They also kill Nigeria there. Kill them so. You ask government. Okay, this is travel check. This is travel document. Send him back. Nigeria embassy. Because they smuggle you to enter that office with your school certificates. Because I know if you go to school, you will know what to do. You are not here to help. Did you? And while some in Nigeria, they live in Europe. Mama Sukiri. Afi yara sile alosunu yara. In case someone look about day, come on ba. Imi ama lokiri from one place to another place. But you Nigeria embassy cause this. And when they invite you, you're supposed to tell the government, say, this person is from Canada. You look for the even country that is the best mother, even good mother in Europe. This one is from United States of America. Deported to US. Because government don't have the power. If they don't have confirm of your nationality, they won't deport you. That's why they call embassy. That's why you see some country here in this German, in Europe, they can't deport them. Like Eritrea. Where they want to deport Eritrea go? Oh, fine. He says it's Eritrea. Who confirm that Eritrea? They don't have embassy. That's why they tear them document as they like. If you see any Eritrea that they not give document, ask him, he give government in passport. They hold it, they know that they must deport him. one day. But our own Nigeria embassy, when they call you, is it Nigeria? Ask him. Now Nigeria embassy go see the and say, this one a critical Nigeria now. This one, Now even I don't see it, so without even no talk, it's a real Nigeria. It's a Nigeria embassy. Then you take your pen, you use your hand to write your will. Because me, I know when any embassy staff, workers are doing that, he writing will. Because thunder that is due press up is coming for them. He will kill them to from start. Why you can't do think? Say this person I want to them to report back. I to get here. Then you know so most of them they pass through road. We are talking about South Africa. Oh, people they pass through road. They will tell you what is going on in Libya. I've been to Libya. I know what is going on there. In Libya, people don't use wristwatch to go to bed. People don't set alarm to wake in second day. In Libya, when we are in Libya, ask anybody. Or if you have anybody in Libya, ask. It is gunshot. We let you know that hey, he let you shoot. Gunshot. She let you know that this is daytime. Iletima. Excuse me. Hello. I don't sorrow. Hey, Brabla said, we might pay for the inside the online. One video in the program. Koye yin Libya, iba o te ro ko jon lójúmọ́. Ayo ki safu gunshot ma na. En pa tin gbe Libya, o mo ko ngbe be. Tó bá ti jí, o mo pe le ti mọ́. Tó bá le ti wọlé sùlálẹ́, a tu dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ko Ọlọ́run ṣe tó sọ mi leni o. Wọ́n máa dúpẹ́ ọjọ́ kan ni. Torí o lo dúpẹ́ ọ̀la. Torí ko tó bá ṣe lọ́la. O lè jáde kí miss shoot ko ta wa ya pa yẹn. Wọ́n yìnbọn anyhow ni. Ẹ̀mí kò jọ wọ́n lójú ńbẹ̀. Gbogbo àwọn olúwọ̀n yẹn Ọlọ́run ti ṣépè fún wọn. Ìlú tó pé gan wo gbàdúrà. Libya ò pray kí peace ọwọ́ lu àwọn mọ́. Torí nínú ogun yẹn sì lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí ń jẹ. The same thing in Nigeria. Káyé nìkan bàjẹ́ nìkan tí ń jẹ. Jẹ́ ká bàjẹ́ jẹ. Ọlọ́pàá sẹ́nu kẹ́gbẹ́ àní ìdẹ̀ tó bá ń tó ẹni tó ń tagbó tí ò tagbó. Wọ́n á sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún wọn fún yẹn. Ìyẹn wá lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó bá ti ń fagbó ní kò kí tagbó àánú máa ń fagbó lẹ́nu tagbó. Wọ́n á mú yẹn á ní kí fagbó wọ́n á níbẹ̀ wọ́n mú gbó owó kíní kan wọ́n á gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Tó bá gba 10,000 wọ́n á fún ní 1,000. Tó bá mú yẹn márùn fún ọ lójúmọ́ ṣe 5,000 yẹn ṣe pé tó ti bá yẹn kan jẹ́ ayé tiẹ̀ ti ń da. It's in Nigeria. They will like to hit. Where is oh God? They interview Nigeria. You can't do think. Look at see our guests. Yoruba guests, so Bini guests, so those two guests they dominate Europe. Few Igbo. Do you know what they went through in that desert before they get to Libya? Do you know what they went through? Some ladies, some guests, Yoruba, Benin, do you know how much they use their how do I call it? They use their total, they use their private. Do you know how much they make? They used to make. They use it to make, to pay. Who bring them to that place? To back by Elomin san 1.5 million. Elomin san 1.2 million. Elomin san 800,000. Continue. Hairdresser. Not hairdresser. Not tailor. The look at all on phone. Tell me, any gate that use this ordinary this tiny road to get this money and pay, then in now survives. Okay, now I'm free now. Let me go. Some we pay 800,000. Maybe they ask you to pay 1 million. It's already paying 100,000. The money they make 100,000. They make bargain again. the thief, they sell it again now for other people. He will not go and pay another 800,000. Fine, pretty beautiful girls. Take it. Or you want more point of view of the Nigeria? Wàá gbé jíìpù sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ àwọn ọmọ ìjẹ́ tí ó kì í wẹ̀ tí gbogbo ẹsẹ̀ wọn ti fà yánmọ́yánmọ́ gbogbo eyín wọn ti pọ́n góòlù náà wọ́n ń jẹ á dẹ̀ lọ kanlẹ̀kùn ẹ̀ á gbé ṣé 20 dinar 30 dinar á dẹ̀ ṣí díẹ̀ lẹ́bàá tí yẹn bá tún lóun ò tún gbà àánú kan ṣe nígbà tí wọ́n wà Libya when I went to Libya ìbejì ni wọ́n they are twins wọ́n náà kọ́ ọ lọ sí ìlú òyìnbó ni tán gbé wọn délé tán lọ gbé wọn tán lọ jù wọn sí láṣẹ́wó àwọn ọmọ yẹn sunkún ní bọ̀rọ̀ pàtàkì bá tún àgbà tí tọmọ nìjẹ́ kan dé wọ́n wọlé tì báyìí àwọn ọkùnrin tó wà tó jẹ́ security ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì yẹn wọ́n fa ọmọ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ báyìí nìjẹ́ olùjábàlẹ̀ ọmọ ìkànnì àwọn ìbejì yẹn ẹjẹ́ ń ṣe pù ọmọ yẹn sunkún mo bẹ̀ mú ní ní sunkún adìyẹ yóò gbọ́ adìyẹ pogún ó ládìyẹ ọmọ rẹ̀ ó yọ̀gbọ̀ gbóná pọ̀mọ́ ó lọ gbádìí ẹ̀ tó fowó ra wó ó ra mọ́tò 100,000 naira ó wá lówó ló ń takú 100,000 naira lọ́lọ́ra kúrò láka ó wá ló ń takú lójú ọ̀nà ó yẹ kó tọ̀ pé ọ̀gá máa takú tó bá yá ni ìgbà tí ẹni kọ́ wá sí lóyìnbó ó fẹ́ mẹ́rin lọ sí lóyìnbó family tiẹ̀ mẹ́rin ló ti kó lọ then he say let's go to Europe. You go with him. Why can't you think how many of your own family is there? You have to do it. If you not, if you will, they will argue that I will never, after 1 year, 2 years, no option. The inside where they keep them, they cannot go out. Because if you try to go out, Arab they are there, they will take gun to control you, command you, control you. They will steal you. They will go and sell you. They will take money. You, that person, they sell you to, it will take you again to another hotel to go and do a show. Now, wọ́n bá gbà kámú. Wọ́n bá ṣẹ́wọ̀ lórí náà. Gbogbo ọkọ̀ tó fẹ́ ṣẹ́wọ̀ situation ló fà á. Ẹ̀yin obìnrin tẹ́lẹ̀ jẹ́ Yorùbá tẹ́ kọ́ wọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ pẹ́fẹ́ kọ́ lọ lómi tẹ́lẹ̀ ń gbọ́n ṣaṣẹ́wó ẹ̀yin ènìyàn Ọlọ́run nìyẹn. Ìwọ obìnrin tó jẹ́ bìnrin àtọkùnrin tó mọ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tó ń mú lọ lóyìnbó tó wà lọ́gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn òbí ẹ̀ tí wà wá tà tó ń ṣaṣẹ́wó God is watching. Wọ́n wá tún ṣe gbogbo yẹn tán. After that, they enter Europe. After they enter Europe, ẹ̀tọ́ máa ṣe wọ́n bó ṣe wù wọ́n. Ẹ̀tọ́ àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì Nàìjíríà ẹ̀tọ́ wọn dá wọn padà. Ọlọ́run rí gbogbo yín o. Gbogbo yín pátápátá òun Ọlọ́run rí. Bẹ̀ẹ̀kẹ́ tẹ́mi kan mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wípé tẹ́mi kan mọ̀ tó dé mi lójú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé one day ẹ̀kọ́ àfira ẹ̀ràn. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn kan ṣe wọ̀nyẹn. Please, Nigeria in South Africa. I want you people to make everything be easier. Because Nigeria will never leave South Africa. Even if every one of you there live in South Africa come home now, after 1 month, 100 people will have visa again, they will go. But protect South Africa. That former president, he assists 99% gone. All of them before they have gone. That former president, all the fund that will go by 96, what the ballot, Taba gbegi. Taba yada. Wọ́n lè dúró tì wá. Wọ́n sá àwọn agbébẹ̀ wọ́n yọ̀lẹ̀. Ìbára fi ń bẹ̀rù wọn. South Africa, they don't have the power to fight. We only afraid of them because of gun. But former president, he assists out of 100, he assists 85% or 90% gone from them. Now, few people still have gone now. Please, Ejaki Ojagoko, I want you to help me share this video so that it can go to viral. Thank you so much. I have to stop here. I had to go to some mi ò ráyè àwọn olórin rárá mo ń ṣe lórí iṣẹ́ wọn lọ́wọ́. Then to end the short, ìyá Ghana mo ṣiṣẹ́ fún ẹ last time instead mo expect kan kó máa bú mi ni but mi ò rè bú ẹ. Thank you so much. Inú wa dùn wípé ó ti pe Alájà Zainab yẹn ó ti bẹ àwọn ènìyàn lórí ìwà tó wù ó dájú wípé ẹ̀sìn tó ń sìn ó mọ̀ lẹ́sìn ó dẹ̀ accept correction ó accept correction. Inú mi dùn gan but you will soon hear from me tó o deserve kí n ṣiṣẹ́ fún ẹ kí n kí ẹ lórí ẹ tó nígbà gbogbo ọjọ́ tó ṣe I'm so happy. Alájà Bàríjídé, I greet you too. You will soon hear from me. Ògbà yìí olórin ètò ẹ̀rọ fún mi lẹ́sẹ̀ bú mi wọ̀nyẹn mi ò tí ní táìmù yín jàre ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kọ́ sí ọ̀nkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n South Africa ló ń dùn mí. Government of Nigeria, please, you have to do everything you have to help our brothers. Not only to order security to go and be guiding MTN office in Nigeria, guiding ShopRite in Nigeria and South Africa, what belong to South Africa. That is what Nigeria government, they have been doing now to go and guide so that they will not destroy their things. But you don't have anything to do to go and stop people who they are killing your citizens, killing Nigeria over there. Oshibanjo, you are disgrace. Mo regret kí mo dìbò fún yín. Ká jẹ́ gbé fún sójà. I believe only soldier can rule Nigeria. Anyway, the jati. Look at the Cameroonian here. Cameroon here. Anglophone, Francophone. They are in war. They are fighting. Killing themselves. But they are protecting foreigner. This fight is our fight. It's not concerned foreigner. They don't have any arms to affect any foreigner. They try to protect foreigner. Do you ever hear that in Cameroon where they are fighting, they kill one Nigeria or they injure one Nigeria? That's what 10 Nigeria injury 10 Nigeria or killing. Do you ever hear? Or different country, they protect foreigner. This fight is between us, Anglophone, Francophone. It's not concerning foreigner. They try to do everything to protect foreigner in Cameroon. They protect foreigner in Cameroon. Anything should not happen to foreigner. But in South Africa, there's nothing like that. And the government they can not protect it. And when you talk about law, some pride at MTN and protect. I'm not worried. But Nigeria na wọ́n ponu wọ́n go. Wọ́n ponu wọ́n go. Ọdún mẹ́jọ wá tó pé ẹ tún bá political dìbò fẹ́ lómi. Àwọn náà tún dìbò fún. Èmi ní APC, èmi ní ADD. Tó yẹ kẹ́ dá gbọ́ dànù. Kẹ́ lọ wá PPP, kẹ́ lọ wá DDD. Ká tún wá rú rẹ̀ ká tún bó ṣe máa rí. For the almost 25 years now. On account of Washington. Government of the people, for the people, and for the people. Only it down pẹ̀lú òyìnbó wèrè tẹ́ ń sọ yẹn. Government of the people, for the people, for the people. Ẹ ti ṣe èrè. Any people ní government lọ́dọ̀ yìí ni. How can you tell me that Nigeria have government? Nigeria don't have government. Now government of their self, now it be. But to the next 4 years, you see. Next 4 years, you see. Probably the president to me, Babangida no to fẹ́ jẹ́. People begin Babangida wà, Ṣọ́nà Kanu fẹ́ ṣe. Bí ṣe náà kò yọjú, wọ́n á yá Jonathan á tún dìde. Ẹ wá ní government of the people. Níbo ni? Government people ló wà. Tẹ́ ń ṣe lára yín. Next 4 years, you see, Tinubu á dìde, á lọ fẹ́ ṣe president. Ẹ tẹ̀lé. Ẹ wá ní Tinubu ń dẹ́kòrú. Ẹ kò dẹ́kòrú. Bí ọlọ́run fẹ́ ṣe presidency, ẹ̀yẹ kó yẹ tó máa tẹ̀lé. Ẹ tún máa lọ sókè. Ṣé wọ́n ní ẹ wo ẹni tí ó bá kàwé gan tẹ́ bá fi sí president yà á rù lòjọ́ àtẹnu kan wèrè tẹ́ ń kójọ yìí lọ. Ẹ wọ́n ní wèrè. If Cameroon there, tẹ́ bá lè protect his foreigner so that anything arms will not affect them. One jambe now, Francophone and Anglophone, English side and French side, one bara one ja. One if the freedom, one fẹ́ gbàjọba. but now they are fighting themselves. On wa kọ́ àwọn sójà wọn ṣe pé sójà ń sìn wọ́n belong sí ti àwọn French àwọn English náà wọ́n wá ní sójà títí wọn tán pè ní ambazonia soldier wọ́n dẹ̀ ń protect foreigner ní ilẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn French lọ́hùn wọ́n protect foreigner níta àwọn English side náà wọ́n protect foreigner pé àwọn wọ̀nyí o ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe wọ́n jẹ́ kẹ́ni tí àbùsà foreigner that's Cameroon. Wọ́n jẹ́ kẹ́ni tí kó àbùsà náà foreigner. South Africa bẹ́yẹn wọ́n ń pààyàn ẹ̀yìn wẹ̀ Nigeria embassy yẹn ẹ̀sìn wọ́n ṣe wọ́n pírètì wọ́n tún ṣíṣú wọ́n open. Buhari àtọ̀ṣìbànjọ ẹ̀rí kan ṣe sí náà. Only security you can do is to order security to go and guide MTN office. Wherever MTN office in Nigeria, secure there. Wherever ShopRite is, secure there. Whatever anything belongs to South Africa, you order security so that Nigeria will not destroy it. But àwọn ọmọ tí ń kú mẹ́yẹn wọ́n súnyàn lóye. This morning, on our way back from church, àwọn obìnrin méjì wọ́n dẹ̀ attack wọn. Wọ́n tún wá ṣe sí fídíò wọ́n dẹ̀ ní kẹ́ẹ̀dì wọ́n gba pátá di wọn gba bra àwọn ayọ̀ fóònù wọn àwọn fídíò wọn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ tún sẹ́yìn dẹ́sì Ọ̀ṣínbàjò àti Buhari ẹ̀ tún rí yẹn àtẹ̀yìn wèrè tẹ́ kúrẹ́jọ sínú house. Ẹ̀ tún rí yẹn. Ẹ̀ rí kan ṣe sí o. Cameroon bí báyìí wọ́n protect foreigner. Ṣáì tọ́ndà tó ń ṣe press up ó ń bọ̀ wá báyìí one by one. Mama suffering time to time. I'm not agree with my father. You have to live quit politics. Fi politics sílẹ̀. Kí ló ń ṣe ń bẹ̀? Èpè náà ṣe fún yín. Ọ̀jẹ̀lú àti òṣèlú. Kí ni ìyàtọ̀ náà méjèèjì? Ṣé ọ̀jẹ̀lú ó fún òṣèlú ṣe ni? Ẹni tó ṣe kò jẹ́ kó rí ṣe. Oh my God. Àwọn apààyàn náà bí ẹran wọ́n súnyàn bí ẹran léyà. Ìkànnà lásán ìkànnà ọwọ́ mi ò lè gé ẹ̀rù mọ́ ń bà mí kọ́ lọ ṣèjì kọ́ máa lọ ṣèjì kọ́ tó bá ṣẹ̀jẹ̀ àyà mẹ́mọ́ já blade tuntun mo fi gé o màá bí lè pè á bóyá blade yẹn bóyá wọ́n ti lò ó bí kan ní tẹ̀lé kan wá tún lẹ̀ kí wọ́n lọ kó 8 ẹ̀jẹ̀ lásán mọ́ ń bà mí lẹ́rù mi ò máa jẹ́ pa mi è pẹ́rán gbọ́n ní dúwọ́ jẹ lásán mo máa ń sọjú dànù báyìí bá wá gé títí àfi orí máa jábọ́ sí mi lọ́wọ́ bóyá àyọ̀ǹda ẹlẹ́ mi ò lè gé tí n bá fẹ́ gé adìyẹ by force mo máa ń gbójú pọ́n báyìí mo máa ń do the next báyìí màá gbọ́ fẹ́ẹ́ màá gé orí kan rẹ̀ lẹ wá ń pààyàn lẹ ń súnyàn bí ẹran ẹ̀yin gọ́fìmẹ̀ntì ẹ̀yin Nàìjíríà ọlọ́run àrẹjọ dá o àtẹ̀yìn duwere tẹwà nẹ́mbàsì Nàìjíríà Germany tí gọ́fìmẹ̀ntì máa pè é pé ẹ wá interview ẹni ṣe Nàìjíríà ni tẹ́ interview ẹ̀ ẹ wá issue travel document pé ẹ jù sílé ẹ tí ẹ kí wò pé iṣẹ́ olófẹ́ lọ ṣe ń lé yẹn ṣó nẹ́bí tó fẹ́ lọ gbé pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ṣó nílé àwọn tó fílẹ̀ báwọn náà ṣe ipò olófẹ́ bá wọn wá gbèrú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ àwa jù sílé àwa délé àwa rò títí sọ́ọ̀tún rosósì àwa kàǹkẹ́ kú àjọ lówó yìí ni ṣèbí Nàìjíríà ni àwa lọ́jọ́ ìnẹgbẹ́ wèrè àwa lọ gbàbọ́n dọ́wọ́ ìgbàgbọ́ kọ́ ti ọ̀rọ̀ bìbì kan báyìí ó ti ní star ní orúkọ ẹ̀ ti dé nìyẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin ò lè orí ti dàrú tó ẹ kọ́ lọ sílé sínétọ̀ kan kọ́ lọ kà mọ́lé tó bá gbọ́ owó ẹ̀tẹ̀ kó àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ kó bá sùn lórí kó ṣe bó ṣe wù ẹ́ kó kú mbẹ́ ẹ wà tó máa lọ sílé tálíkà tó ń gba àwọn gàrí kó tó jẹ tẹ̀bá wá rówó ẹ mọ̀ mẹ́ fìyà ẹ rèpù ẹ̀ yóò máa lọ́mọ tó rèpù ẹ fẹ́ kọ́mìtì rèpù ẹfẹ dẹ́ṣẹ̀ ẹfẹ kọmìtì raping ẹ mú yàwó ẹ ẹnì kọ́kọ́ gbé náà dání ẹ lè pu yàwó ẹ dẹ mọ bí tẹ ẹ lọ tẹ pé àti inúlé o àti báǹkì Ghana must go náà fi ń di owó sínú ilé ètò ń lọ báǹkì ọ̀tọ̀ ètò ń lọ báǹkì máa ń lọ direct ni wọn àti gbà yẹn sọ́wọ́ Ghana must go ni òkì lọ báǹkì wọn máa ń lọ tọ́jú yẹn sínú ilé ni tí o bá fẹ́ dà kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mọ́ mẹ́ẹ̀kan last born ẹ̀kẹ́ fìbọn fọ́ orí ẹ̀dà pa àyà ajá kọ́ pé ẹ̀bà ṣeré wá kó gbé lọ sí Ghana must go wá bet ẹ ní ṣe yẹn ẹ ò ní ṣe ẹ jọ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí South Africa wọn ò ṣe bájà what I'm trying to say ni pé ẹ jẹ́ ká protect ara wa ẹ̀yin Naija tẹ́ wà South Africa ẹ protect ara yín ẹ má jáde moment ẹ wà yìí ẹ dúró sílé kò yẹ yín sìn stay at home because till tomorrow South Africa embassy in Nigeria àwọn Nigeria sì kún síwájú embassy wọn o tó ṣe apply visa o mo yẹ báyìí sọ àwọn tó fly lọ South Africa lánàá wa ẹni tó lọ lẹ́nìí wa ẹni tó wà lọ́la wa ẹni tó lọ ń jẹta wa ojoojúmọ́ South Africa Airways òun wá sí Nigeria ó dẹ̀ ń kó èrò Nigeria ó dẹ̀ ń kó wọ́n yìí lọ́bẹ̀ kò yẹ yín sìn they are still going there mo gbé South Africa rí o I know what is going on there brother mi kọ́ wà online tó wo mi sìn Ọlásẹ́yìndé ọ̀dọ̀ ẹni mo gbé gbà náà a sọ fún mi ní a ní tí n bá ti ń rìn kí n mọ̀ pé kí mo focus iwájú nìkan o tí n bá gbẹ́sẹ̀ méjì 1 2 ẹ̀kẹta I have to look back look your left look your right the mọ́ mi sọ̀kó máa wà láàrin má máa rìn ẹgbẹ́ títì àárín ni ó máa rìn máa close fún mọ́tò ò ní gbá ẹ mo ní kí nìdí ó ní sí pé tá bá yọ lọ́tún kó tó ní ẹ̀mí máa ti rí wọn máa yàgbò sí tá bá yọ lọ́sì kó tó ní ẹ̀mí máa ti yàgbò tún tá bá bọ̀ wájú wàá ti dá wọn mọ̀ cross to other side padà sí mọ́ rìn ní àtọ́tọ́ nìyẹn àmọ́ yà kiri ni àmọ́ wo street ká tó wọ street ni 3310 òkú yẹn tó sọ̀rọ̀ àmú 3310 kò ṣe kéré ní Europe tọ́dún bá ti ń dé by Christmas irùngbọ̀n máa ń dùn ní street máa ń dùn ní South Africa Christmas 25 24 February December 31st to January 1st àwọn èèyàn kì í jáde o anybody máa wà nílé ẹ̀ ní ẹ̀ka máa yọjú fáìlì máa oríṣiríṣi banga inú bankoli lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí wọ́n yí banga o kọ́ ẹ̀ lé ní wọ́n tì kan náà yí banga títì tí Europe tó wà náà lọ sí firework ní America tó wà lọ sí firework tó wà lọ sí joint kan tó wà lọ kóra wọn jọ sí joint kan tí wọ́n mọ shoot lockout banga irọ́ ní South Africa bankoli láti mọ̀ sí South banga ẹni bẹ̀rẹ̀ máa wà nílé ẹ̀ ní àwọn tó wà nílé wọ́n máa wá wọ́n náà celebrate ọdún nìyẹn o wọ́n lè lọ wá panel tó bá tó 50 kg 25 kilo wọ́n máa jù látòkè ìwọ tó bá wà nísàlẹ̀ tó bá bá orí ẹ̀ lásán gbàm ó bọ́dún lọ nìyẹn o ọjọ́ kejì àwọn ọlọ́pàá ló máa kókù tó bá tó wá on the 29 on the 30 gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì àwa da ọlọ́pàá sí gbogbo street gbogbo everywhere security ni upon that lọ́n the first wọ́n máa kókù kiri ẹgbẹ́ títì ni ẹ̀mí ara wọn ò jọ wọ́n lójú ká tó máa sọ pàtì Nàìjíríà ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mi share fídíò yìí kódà ìwọ tó bá mọ ìdíwọ́ tó lè gbé sí YouTube send it to YouTube ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ àwọn ìjọba wọn yẹn let them see something to do we are not an animal we are a human wọn lè mọ pàwá bá ṣe pàwá ẹ̀ ká dúró tì wọ́n o ká mọ̀ wòran gbogbo eléyìí yóò sì ní Europe táwa wà ìjàkùmọ̀ kan òkìrí lọ́sàn ẹni abíbire kan òkìrí owó ewèrè wo nìyẹn owó Nàìjíríà owó ìlú Áfíríkà owó Áfíríkà ní South Africa ò lè ní aago mẹ́jọ wọn á rọ̀pù ẹni ṣá bẹ̀ẹ̀tì ní Europe tí n bá kó 2000 euros sínú àpò mi yìí tí mo bá já ìlàgò méjì àbí aago mẹ́ta òru ọkàn mi ò sí ní owó tó wà lápò mi ibi tí mo ń lọ yẹn lọkàn mi wà ń bẹ̀ how to get to that place in time kọ́ mọ̀ pé nothing will happen to the one in my pocket. Kò yẹ sí fọ́ọ̀mù méjì ni mo ń gbé rìn S9 Plus and iPhone 7 ni mo ń gbé rìn sàpò mi with a one small Nokia mi ò doubt wọn kọ́ máa gbà lọ́wọ́ mi rí mo dẹ̀ ní aago méjì òru aago mẹ́ta òru tí n bá travel ṣé Nàìjíríà ló ti máa ṣerú ẹ̀ àbí ní South Africa ẹ jọ̀ọ́ government of Nigeria please You have to do something. Not only Nigeria here, even Europe here. You have to stand to help us. Nígbà tí government ìlú téèyàn wà Europe tí wọ́n ẹni yóò àdúrà ti kú. Wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ dá padà bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ dá padà sí. Information tó fún àwọn yìí ṣọ́mọ ìlú yẹn ni. Excuse me, Joe. Hey, bravo, Kala. Hello? Bravo, Kala, báwo ni? Funny now. Mo gbọ́? Mo wà online, mo yà, mo wà online video wa. Mo wà live báyà. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Phone mi iPhone.
Mama.
Club tí mo wọ tí láti lé mi dé bá náà tí mo sùn tí mo kó kíní bíbí fún sápò pẹ̀lú owó sápò mo sùn wọ́n jí mi àwọn kọ̀ọ̀tún wá jí mi pé kíkẹ́ mo ti dé tí mo lọ.
Àzí.
Ẹ̀yin náà imagine ẹ̀yin wá jí mi pé mo ti dé tí mo góòdì lábẹ́ ọ̀gá ebe mo góòdì láàmì yẹn sí kì yẹn ó wà lọ́wọ́ mi náà.
Yá.
Ó wà lọ́wọ́ mi náà ẹ̀ńgbọ́dọ̀ òjò.
Europe nìyẹn náà.
iPhone Max méjì mo kó dání.
Thank God.
Kò ṣe ẹ wo Nàìjíríà mo ti mú nǹkan yó láti lé pé yes ṣọ́ọ̀bù ni mò ń lọ kí lè bá a fi owó díẹ̀ ra ọtí kó lè bá kíni kó má lè bá a pọ̀ mọ́ ṣẹ́fàn.
Mo ń gbọ́ yín, mo ń gbọ́ yín.
Wọ́n jí mi ní ìpè ìdìde ẹjọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ mo lè dẹ́rẹ́ wò Nàìjíríà.
Kò possible.
Nínú òdára àti ẹ̀gbọ́n ó bad ó yẹ kí wọ́n wà nǹkan ṣe sílùú yẹn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ṣé ìyẹn bá dáa ṣé àwọn tí wọ́n lọ sí kíní sátánìkà yẹn ẹjọ́ ṣé wọ́n máa ń lọ àìmọye àwọn èèyàn tó wà lù yìí sọ pé yes camp náà wà over 3 years 4 years.
Exactly.
Ṣé wọ́n kọ́ ṣe ipe kíní ṣé lu wà lè dá kọ́kọ́ má padà síbẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Kò possible now. Nítorí ṣé wọ́n ní pé yes ó pé àwọn káwọn wà ní bíbá yìí ju kíni káwọn lọ Nàìjíríà kí làwọn máa jẹ náà bá délé.
Àbí?
Bíbá yìí wọ́n gbọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ mọ̀ kẹ́rẹ́kẹ́rẹ́ ọjọ́ ń lọ lórí wọn 7 years 6 years.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni o.
Mọ̀ pé yes wọ́n gbádùn. You understand?
But mo ń gbọ́ yín, I'm getting you.
Kí wọ́n try, kí wọ́n jọ. Kìí ṣe gbogbo àwọn tó wà Europe ni wọ́n ń gbádùn gbogbo wọn kó àwọn èèyàn mọ̀. Yes.
Wọ́n ń gbọ́ yín, àwọn tó wà online náà wọ́n ń gbọ́ àwọn tẹ́ ń sọ.
Of course, kò kí ń ṣe gbogbo àwọn tó wà ní Europe ní outside country Europe ni o Dubai ni o ìpè kìíní kan America ni o kìíní ni o it's not everybody that they are enjoying themselves.
Exactly.
It's not pass through ní Europe ìpè kìíní kan nobody knows.
Ẹ ṣe.
Yes tá a bá gba salary báyìí tax wọn tó máa ti yọ báyìí a máa sanwó ilé a máa sanwó omi television everything a sanwó náà. Why she want there? Everything we pay.
Owó ti
It's
tán.
not easy for us. Owó ti tán. Àwa náà, a sọ pé yes, a fẹ́ ṣe kíní kan sílé, ṣe kíní kan family wa náà máa kíní, wọ́n máa pè wá. Ará àtà máa kíní wọ́n máa pè wá. It's not easy.
Ẹ ṣe.
Kọ́jọ́ káwọn àtúnú yẹn ṣe.
Ẹ ṣe.
Kò bá dá gan. Ìgbà fídíò yẹn, mo láìkì ẹ̀ gan, ẹ continue. Ọlọ́run fún yín ṣe.
Àmín,
A máa lè
àmín.
tán, a máa share rẹ̀.
Ẹ ṣe.
Easy.
Ẹ ṣe gan. Ẹ ṣe. Ẹ ká bẹ́ẹ̀ tó lọ ẹ ṣe gan.
Ẹ máa bẹ́ẹ̀ tó lọ ó fi ẹ̀gbọ́n, ó dàbọ̀ náà.
Ó náà lẹ ti fẹ́ tí gbọ́ lẹ́nu ẹni tí ó pè yẹn. Ṣé rí ẹ̀yin ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yẹn most of ọ̀rọ̀ mi jù ọ̀dọ̀ yín ló lọ jù lénìí. Tàbí ọ̀gá tẹ́ni yẹn sọ fún mi sí òun lọ sí club òun ti mú yó òun ti jẹ gbogbo ayé ó dẹ̀ kó iPhone lá méjì dání pẹ̀lú Samsung pẹ̀lú ó dẹ̀ wà lápò òun ó dẹ̀ wà lu train ó dẹ̀ kó lẹ̀ báyìí ó dẹ̀ sùn ìgbà tó débi tó ń lọ àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ tún jí pé ó ti débi tó ń lọ fóònù rẹ̀ kò lẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan tó ṣe ó gọ̀ ni ṣé yẹn lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ìlú tiwa ẹ wà ní ẹni bíbire kan kìíní kò kì í rìn lọ́sàn-án kìíní kan owó ní ẹ máa pa owó yẹn mọ́ ẹ̀jọ́ ẹ tún Nàìjíríà yẹn ṣe ẹ tẹ́ jẹ́ olórí yẹn pẹ̀lú gold ẹ tó bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ òun lẹ́yìn tó tẹ̀sí yẹn àmọ́ Bùkọ́lá wà lálùbáríkà jọ ẹgbẹ́ èèyàn mi ẹni tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn obìnrin wọ́n sọ fún yín tẹ́ bá pè wọ́n jókòó wọ́n sọ bó ṣe wọ Europe fún yín ẹ kanu ẹ ṣòkò fún wọn náà you will cry yes because I don't blame them they have nothing to do they have looked themselves say what can I do in this country so-called Nigeria most of them they are graduate what kàwé now not that they didn't go to school they have their papers certificate to that one over one but they have nothing to do. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn obìnrin náà sọ yìí kí mi ṣe tó pass inú wọn ẹ mọ oríṣiríṣi lẹ́ṣọ́rà ẹ̀yin ìwé lẹ́ṣọ́rà tẹ̀wá school ẹ mọ oríṣiríṣi lẹ́ṣọ́rà tó ti gùn tó ti bá sùn kó tó lè gbà kó ṣe exam. bó tún lọ́fíìsì náà bó fẹ́ wáṣẹ́ náà ẹ tún yọ tibí ẹ yọ tì ní. tó o bá ti gbà lélẹ́yìí then èmi náà lè gbà láti fún ẹ níṣẹ́. àwọn alódà àwọn náà máa jagun fún ara wọn lọ. já lọ máa mọ́ ẹ lọ sí Europe àwọn agbé wọn sójú ọ̀nà tẹ bá gbé ẹlòmíì tó bá sọ ìdí tó bá wẹ Nàìjíríà embassy tẹ mọ issue TC travel document kan fi dáwọn ẹ̀ padà yẹn ẹ wo àwọn family yìí máa jẹ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀yà kò sí family tó máa ṣorí nínú gbogbo yín torí ẹ bílẹ̀ pé ẹ láàánú torí ẹ mọ yìí owó gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì lẹ fi wọlù tẹ wá yìí ẹ̀yin gẹ́gẹ́ ní ẹ fẹ́ padà sílé yẹn mọ́ olórí burúkú ni yín ìgbà tí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ìlú tó ń gbé tí kò mọ̀ bó ṣe fẹ́ ṣe he doesn't know what to do. This person say I'm a Nigerian. This person say I'm a Ghanaian. I'm a Zimbabwe. I'm a Togo. But I'm not sure because you don't have passport. Nothing like ID card. Where's the proof? Then law in Europe, let government know. You can't deport to the country that you are not assured that this person come from this country. Or few of it. One they deport one Nigerian. But how did I know? One the passport of me. One the ID of me. They don't know anything. Wọ́n tún kọ sínú document á fi ẹ lọ́wọ́ pé wọ́n mark ibì kan wọ́n máa ẹ̀ sí ẹ̀ document ẹ̀ wà ní Germany tẹ̀ wà online ẹ̀ màkà tí mo sọ pa ẹ̀ lórí osvice yín ẹ̀ rí i pé boss kan wà bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n mark ẹ̀ s kí náà kọ síbẹ̀ ìwọ tó bá gbọ́dọ̀ wọ́n ní information tẹ́ni fún wa a ò gbà o àwọn ò lè guarantee ẹ̀ ó lè fi ìwé yìí pé ìlú tó pe rẹ̀ àbúrúkọ tó lòun jẹ́ àbí come back there to give àwọn ò rí anything láti tó fi lè rí proof pé òótọ́ ni àwọn accept ẹ̀ but wọ́n gbà pé nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ nìyẹn èyí fún wọn it give them problem there is no way German government can deport without no confirmed document from you. Now they will not invite Nigeria embassy say come we want you to come and interview this person. Is it true he's from Nigeria? Look at you, this stupid Nigeria embassy. You will not study telling government, say, this person is Nigeria. It's a critical Nigeria. Yeah, you be Benin. You be Arobu. You be asking the question that you be asking the sister and brother in front of those police. My dear embassy brother or sister, I'm not blaming you guys. Why you can't sue? There many of you know. Why you can't ask this lady or this guy what he went through before he get to this country? If you don't want to know about that, if you call us with pidgin, how you take come here? He will tell you the truth. If you ask this our ladies, our guests, they are in Europe, they suffer a lot before they get to this country. Do you know a pretty beautiful girl that is turned himself to a shower in Libya so that he can pay who help him to come? That is why I find it difficult to call them a shower. I don't abuse them. Because most of them there in Libya, they are doing a shower. No, 95% of them, they don't know. Come, let's take you to. Although 50% know. Let me say 50-50. Because 50 know, they swear before they leave. But no woman, no girls that he wanted to put himself, make everybody just come and enter him. He believed that he said, this is the only way I can survive my family. Most of these things do it because of his family. Most of them do it because he have a child. He have baby. He get picking. They want to survive. Well, as I was saying, I've said it before. If you have 3,000 or 5,000 people, they enter Europe in 1 month from Libya or from Morocco. My dear immigration, Nigeria embassy, why you can't think if 5,000 can be in this country, they enter Europe, fine. You're supposed to know 20,000 has perished inside that water. Mediterranean Sea. That water no get start. You no get head. You know where they go? You go see star. Now star go direct you. But you are there running up. Only one place, there they run. See, rescue. Their signal we see. Say, hey, there's somebody there. They're about to die. Helicopter will not signal to them. They will come and rescue. Some, this is rescue. They already been there for 8-9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours, 12 hours. Rescue is coming to come and rescue them. The boat will capsize. Then all will die. Maybe out of 150, they rescue 3 people. I'm not counting children. If you hear that boat carry 150 passengers, just know that say 30 to 40 children is there. Out of that, out of 150 passengers, like 20 pregnant women is there. Do you know the kind of the soul that is lost in that sea? Then the few one God protect, they survive, they reach their dreamland. Instead for you to tell embassy that is allow you to stay. You don't have nowhere to go, but it's not in Nigeria. When you say it's not in Nigeria, that's all. Government have nothing to do. But you will say that. This is Nigeria now. You don't be from Benin, you don't be from Benin, Nigerian embassy that they will send it. I may have paper. It doesn't mean I should not tell the truth. Yes. Nigeria. All the leader Nigeria, there's no better leader come from Nigeria. Now better picking where they born where it knows good, make it they work out for midnight. Now only money. Now they craze, but that not prove that away. For what? For Europe. Now lazy people they work out for afternoon for money. You don't get work. For night, work out 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 1 a.m. Nothing will happen to you. Kò sí nǹkan tó máa ṣe ẹ́. Ìjọba Nàìjíríà. Ẹ wà náà ṣe ìjọba. You are the government of the people, for the people. Orí yìí ti dàrú pẹ̀lú wèrè ìbò yẹn. Ọ̀dọ̀ Nàìjíríà yẹn tó máa gbọ́. Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n gbọ́ ìbòjò olóyìnbó lọ. Bàyí sá ti kọ́ ń gbà kárí. Wọ́n gbọ́ ìbòjò olóyìnbó lọ o. Bàyí sá ti kọ́ nìyẹn. Tá bá fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀. When Nigeria want to clear everything, now that time we hear different grammar. Nigeria, grammar poor. I want to leave, but I'm not going far. I want to step aside. I'm a government in Nigeria. Can you? Go. Cameroon. One ṣe deport one Germany. Pẹ̀lú wàhálà tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ńbẹ̀. But embassy wọn lu wọn ní òkè fún wọn visa mu. Àwọn obìnrin wa ló máa ń ṣe mí láàánú fún jù. Láàánú ẹ̀ Nigeria embassy wọ̀nyí. Ó níwèé ló fi jẹ́ kó fẹ́ mọ̀ pa ẹ̀. It doesn't matter. I may have paper, but my son told you to for you. Wọ́n pè ẹ́ wọ́n ṣe tàbí ìfẹ́ nìyí sọ́mọ Nàìjíríà ni. Ó wá ń béèrè wájú gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì pé you be Yorùbá. No, as I look, so you be from Benin or you be Yoruba. This one is Yoruba now. You know Yoruba, or they be pen here. Or they issue TC, travel document. Or be from government way. Now send them back not from Benin. Thunder, where is coming for you? That thunder is never ready. He made preparation, exercise. When they call, he's making exercise. When he want to strike you, he will strike the whole your generation one time. Because that's that girl who added that they sent back. Do you know what this went through in Libya Road? From Kano to Niger. Do you know the trouble? Niger to Libya. Do you know how long it stay inside desert? In Libya, do you know how many gunshots uncountable that is count? Do you know what he went through inside boat? Bolo bolo, maybe 4 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours. Then he called God. God protected him, entered the dreamland. Then he entered the destination. Then you, because Nigeria just give you passport free. They go to take you to embassy, they give you visa free. House where one stay 3-bedroom flat, already they German free. Motorway one drive free. You know they buy petrol, you know they buy everything. Then they give you big money. You just mean they send you back. God is watching you. Continue. God is watching you. I know that. My own is that if you do good, fine. To buy the no share, wow, South Africa, Nigeria and South Africa. I pray to Almighty God to protect you guys. I cannot say you should fight South Africa because I know if you fight South Africa, you want to spoil South Africa for people who won't go there tomorrow. Because as I'm talking to you, many of people, they are still queued in South Africa embassy in Nigeria that they want to go there. As I'm talking to you now, some Nigeria there, they will see police, South Africa is coming. They will start running. They want to go and hide themselves. They see afraid deportation. Can you see what is up? That is why it's not going to be easy to fight. But protect yourself, protect your brothers, protect your sister. God will continue to protect you guys. Even we were there in Europe. I want in Germany, Italy, Sweden, Denmark, wherever Nigeria is, God will continue to protect us. God will continue to protect us. And we all will achieve our aim. Nobody will deport us. God will do that for us. We will go in our own time. Ni wọ́n ní gbókù aránṣẹ́. Ra fúnra ara tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì báyìí pa lọ ní adé ń padà bọ̀. Bó ṣe máa jẹ́ nìyẹn. By God's grace. All the family that something has happened to in people in South Africa, please accept my condolence. Ọlọ́run á dúró ti gbogbo yín. Ìjọba Nàìjíríà. Bàbá Buhari, ẹ má jẹ́ pé goat cow nìkan màálù lẹ máa protect màálù o. Ẹ̀mí ọmọ èèyàn jẹ́ mi màálù lọ o. Then Ọ̀ṣínbàjò, you are Yoruba man. Please don't disgrace us. We are there now. Tell the man what to do. Please, you have to do something to protect our citizens that live in South Africa. Ọlọ́run á dúró tì wá o. Ọlọ́run á dúró tì gbogbo wa. Ojú ò ní tì wá. I have to go now. Please, make sure you share this my video to your friend. Let him go further so that the video can reach where it's supposed to reach. So the government must hear this. Government must watch this video. This only we can help your brother. You can help your sister. And Rex, thank you so much. Happy Sunday.